What's up, YouTube family? What's up, Phoenix Gang? It's your boy, King A. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy and profitable scalping strategy. So if this is your first time on my channel, and if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at the charts and let's get this video started. For this scalping strategy, we're going to be looking at this strategy on the 15-minute time frame, and we're going to be using GBP USD in today's video. But before I really get into today's video, so if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, the link is going to be down below in the description. And as you guys can see right there on the screen, you guys can see that we've actually been having very good weeks. And last week, that was NFP week, we actually had a very good week, as you guys can see right there on the screen. So if you want access, the link is going to be down below in the description. Now, to actually use this strategy, I found out that this strategy works better using GBP pairs. So if you're watching this and you're someone who likes trading GBP pairs, maybe GBP USD, GBP JPY, maybe GBP AUD, then this strategy is definitely going to work for you. So now, if we take a look at my chart here, this indicator right here that you guys can see here is called Hall Suites. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys my recommended settings that you guys need to use with this indicator. Now, to add this indicator onto your chart, you go here to indicators and you search for Hall Suites. Hall Suites, and it's going to be the first one, and then you just add it to your chart. Now, to use this indicator, we only need to be looking for two things. Now, for sell positions, we need price to be below the indicator. We need it to be red. Once we have that red and price is below the indicator, we're looking to take a sell position. And once price is above the indicator and it's green, we're looking to take a buy position. So buy positions once price is above the indicator and is green, and sell positions once price is below the indicator and it's red. Now, if we take a look at this sell here, now what we need to be looking out for is, obviously, we need price to be below the indicator and we need it to be red. Now I'm going to put this in replay mode and show you guys exactly the exact thing that you guys need to be looking for before you get in any trade at all. So let's put this in replay mode and I'm going to show you how this sell played out and where our entry is going to be. Now let's put this in replay mode. Let's just start from right here and let's take a look and see. So as you guys can see, we have price below the Hall Suites indicator, but the indicator is still green. So all we can do is wait. So now we just got to be patient. So right there, we have our entry right over here. And as you guys can see, we have the Hall Suite actually turned red right over here. So now we're going to have our entry right there, and we're going to have our stop loss right above this previous high right over here. We can have that right there for 10 pips, and we're going to target 2 times our risk to reward ratio. That's what I recommend you guys to target as your take profit. We're going to target 2 times our risk to reward ratio. Now let's take a look and see how this trade actually played out. Let's take a look and see. So right there, we got our take profit smashed for 21 pips, stop loss 10 pips, risk to reward ratio 2 times. So this is how you use this strategy for sell positions. Now let me go ahead and show you guys another example right here real quick. Okay, so now we have another entry right over here, just in case you missed the first entry or if you're trying to get back in again. Now obviously we need price to be below the all suit indicator and we need it to be red. So now let's put this in replay mode again and let's see where our entry is going to be. So now we have a retest. Price came back and we tested our whole suite indicator, and now we're going to go ahead and have our entry right at this second bearish candle, and we're going to have our stop loss right above the high right over there for 16 pips, and we target 2 times our risk to reward ratio. Target 2 times our risk to reward ratio right there. And now let's take a look and see how this trade actually played out. Let's take a look and see. Right there we got our take profit smash for 32 pips, stop loss 16 pips. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a sell position. Now let's go ahead and look for a buy example. Let's see right here. So right here we can see we have price above the whole suite indicator, and we can see that is actually green. Now what we need to be looking out for, since we have the all indicator, we can see that the all indicator is actually green. So now what we're waiting for is we need to see a retest. And now let's go ahead and put this in replay mode and let's see where our entry is going to be. Let's see where our entry is going to be for this buy trade. Price is above the indicator. Now, since we have our retest right over here, now our entry is going to be right over here at this bullish engulfing candle right here. And we can have our stop loss right below the whole suite indicator, right below the previous low right here, and we just go ahead and target our risk to reward ratio, which is going to be 2 times our risk to reward ratio, meaning if I spend $10, I'm trying to make $20. So let's take a look and see how this trade played out. Right there we got our take profit smash for 30 pips, stop loss 15 pips. So this is how you use this strategy for a buy position. So let me go ahead and show you guys one more example here. Let's see here. Okay, so we have another one here. So we're waiting for price to be above the all suite indicator. Now once we have price above that, now let's put this in replay mode and let's take a look and see where our entry is going to be for this buy trade right here. So right over here we can see we have the retest right over here. We have the retest right over here. Now what do? Now we can get in the trade right over here at this second candle, second bullish candle right here. Now we can have our stop loss right below the previous low or right below the whole suite indicator, and we simply target our take profit, which is going to be 2 times our risk to reward ratio. Simply target 2 times our risk to reward ratio right there. And now let's take a look and see where our take profit, how this trade actually played out. Let's take a look and see. Right there we got our take profit smashed right before the pullback for 30 pips, stop loss 15 pips. Our risk to reward ratio is 2 times. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a buy or for a sell. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my recommended settings for this strategy. So once you have this indicator on your chart, you go here to settings, and what you got to do is where it says length, the length, you just change that to 200. You change that to 200, and for the all variation, you change that to EHMA. So the basics, the default settings is going to be HMA, but I want you guys to change it to the third one, and that is EHMA. And once you're done, you don't touch anything else. You just click on OK. Now that's my recommended settings for this strategy. So guys, I hope you find value in this video, and if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you give this video a thumbs up, because it's really going to help this channel a lot. Smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. I'll see you guys in my next video.